Hi guys, how's it going? So my name is Ash Bondare and this is my video testimonial for John Comerford's paid advertising secrets program. Now I joined the program just over a month and 2 weeks ago and it has just been a game changer for me. So just in the first 3 days, I think it was, I managed to secure my first trial client. Now this trial client was in the stoves and wood burner niche, so not a traditional niche that everyone shouts that you should go after. So we agreed on a 4-week trial and we're now at the end of that trial and I've actually produced just shy of 60 leads in 28 days, which is huge. When you consider the fact that each lead is worth around 3 grand, just doing a bit of simple maths here, it was a definite really good ROI. So I actually meet with this guy tomorrow and I can't see any reason why he wouldn't want to carry on. But yeah, I can't wait to discuss the results, and it's all thanks to John's training. And I would not have got these kind of results without his training in the first place. So I would wholeheartedly 100% recommend this course for anyone who's in the agency world or who's looking to get into the agency world. It is just the most thorough, and John is the best coach because a lot of courses I've taken, they kind of say, yeah, we'll be there, we'll support you, you can contact us whenever, but it actually takes a while to get a response and it's not always the best response. So with John, he's actually the one coming to you and asking you how you're getting on, whether you need any help in any particular area. And it's just the best because it's one thing having the course and the strategy, but having the support behind you is just as important, if not more important, to actually getting you really, really good results. And John gives you that. So 100% recommend him. And the best thing for me, I think the course gives you is not only is it in the UK, so for people that are in the UK, it's perfect because there's not many things in the UK geared towards this stuff. It's mainly the US and things work a little differently over there. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but John is here. And the thing I love most about it is the fact that he doesn't teach you to do what everyone else is doing. So a lot of agency courses, they say, you know, go after gyms, go after chiropractors, all these kind of things. And the niche can actually hold a lot of people back. And John gives you so many different niches that would work. And they're not just normal niches. So when you think about it, if you get a client that's so the average order they take is worth around £2,000, it doesn't take many of them to make your fee worthwhile. John teaches you how to go and get these clients as well as service them, which is huge. So as I said, 110% or 1,000,000% recommend John's training. You won't go wrong at all. And I really can't thank him enough for what he's done for me and my agency. Thanks, John.